Here on the farm, you're always in a tight spot and you always need something done quickly. So in this case, I built us a dodgy pulley that works actually pretty well. It's a bit rough spinning, but we're able to lift the application that we needed, probably put about 200 kilos of force on it. And as you can tell, the plywood started to split, and this isn't great quality plywood, but it's good enough and survived this application. But now I have a pulley that's half broken, so I want to fix it and or reinforce it. So I was going to use this absolutely beautiful chunk of plywood, but it's kind of a bit of overkill and it just looks too good. So instead I'm going to use this piece of hardwood, which is actually cut down from one of our trees. There we go, all done. Don't know what it is, but it just looks really fat. I suppose that's just because I've built it very thick for the size of it, but it spins nice and freely and should be able to lift probably 1/4 of a ton easy enough, because we were lifting 200 kilos before and now it's even stronger.